Dear friends, in the month of January 2021, our Honorable Prime Minister announced very proudly that India has gained complete victory over the deadly virus, Corona, COVID-19. Last year during the same season, I hope we all remember that we started with the banging of plates, the lighting of lamps from the rooftop, and then we continued with various other dramatics as directed by the Prime Minister. Somehow we have completed the first wave of Corona successfully without the government of India taking any constructive measures. Now we are into the second wave of Corona, which is much more deadlier. The Prime Minister of this country led this entire nation into the second wave of Corona by having massive election rallies during the month of February, March and April 2021, and then conducting the Kumbh Mela, where millions of devotees came across from the country. These devotees have become successful carriers of Corona, spreading all across the country. Our Prime Minister has become the ambassador for the Corona second wave. During the month of February 2020, Shri Rahul Gandhi alerted the Prime Minister and spoke about the consequences, grave consequences. Few months before, our former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh wrote a detailed letter to the Prime Minister about various measures to be taken for the second wave. But unfortunately, both the Prime Minister and the Health Minister mocked at all the initiatives taken by the opposition party. The reason is primarily because the present government completely lacks a scientific temper, which is very much needed to deal with this present pandemic. It is dealing this pandemic with the most unscientific approach, which is one of the major problems at present. Prime Minister has demonstrated an arrogant attitude towards the states. The Prime Minister lacks empathy and compassion. He has been avoiding the scientific community of this country. The primary reason I feel is that their ideology itself is against humanity, is against science. And they have been working on just projects of hate, nothing more than that. So I think we are not just fighting the coronavirus, we are fighting an ideological virus, which is much more deadly. I have serious doubts whether this government really considers this corona as a natural population collapse. So at this juncture, I would like to urge each and every citizen to come forward and speak up against this government and speak up for ensuring that we have uninterrupted supply of oxygen and medicines. And the second most important point is that we need to have free vaccines for all the citizens of this country. Thank you very much.